Hello everybody, my name is Timur and I'm from Storm company. Sorry for my bad English and this not so good quality video, but first of all I want to show you some features of our cheap machine. Is a good product, it's a Plaza 2, fully automatic, but without our best features. And in the next future, I think next few months, we will record new videos, more professional in the studio. But now we are inside of the service station where we want to show you how it works, a little preview. First of all our machines have the new pedal and new feature how to clamp the wheel. If you use the cone from this side, it's easier if you use this plastic, because it's faster, but it's not so good quality, because we have to use this side. We have to use the spring from this side and use the cone like that. This is good quality, but not so fast if we use the standard machine. If you use the Plaza 2 or big plastic and use it from this side, but you don't have to use it like that so long time. You just have to put it twice and the machine will clamp the wheel automatically so fast and so quality, with a good quality. You must to enter all parameters. First of all, in this rim we will show it like that, and after that like that. The machine will automatically show us two left side and right side automatically, one bit weight, one stick weight. If you want to use two stick weights, just to show the machine first line and the second line. After that, the machine will show you automatically two stick weights. If you want to use two bit weights, you have to show the machine one, and after that, just manually choose the width. For example, 7.5. Here we have the electromechanical brakes. Do you hear it? We have to change the position to 6 o'clock and turn on the laser navigation system. After that, if we will put the 6 o'clock mode here, you will see the laser navigation system. Of course, we can turn on the flashlights. For example, inside the function of checking the rim, you will turn on and turn off the flashlights. Here you can see everything inside, because here we have two very power lights. After that, you can choose how it looks. For example, this rim, you can see that there's a big problem with it. You have to repair it, but just by your eyes. Of course, we have the Proxy 8, for example, or Proxy 8P, the models where we can show the diagram on the screen and show you everything. Of course, you can see here in the 6 button in the main menu, you can see statistics, all statistics about your operators, how to use it. You can check your employers, how they works, because you can see how much quantity of starts, how much of real balanced wheels, how much spent by each of operator, bit weights or stick weights. Of course, you can choose the operator. For example, operator 3, change here the screensaver and after that you will know everything if you will choose the operator 1. It will load automatically everything, every features, every functions will set like you want. If you will choose operator 3 back, every settings will load from the memory and the machine will works how you want. Of course, this is the main features, but a lot of functions which we have inside the machine, for example, optimization, if you want to choose the position of the rim, depends on the rubber. If you want to change it, for example, to compensate the big weights here, you can do it in this machine. We have the motorcycle type. You can choose the motorcycle mode and works with motorcycles, but you have to add the special motor adapters from Haveka, Germany or other factories. Push the pedal, brakes will turn on. Look here. If I will put it and take it like that down, the brakes will turn on if you want. I want to say that this machine is the cheap machine if we will compare it with the same machines with the same features. Of course, if we will see the Chinese machine, we will not see this machine will reach expensive, but this is the big difference. I show you this machine inside this service station because I want to explain that we are testing these machines every day, every month, every year in our service stations and in our customers, and we test it in the dirty, in the real hard work. We will give you 24-month warranty for every machines from our factory, and you will know that everything will very good. This is the cheapest machine with the monitor from our company. Thank you very much. Bye bye.